Welcome to Bauhaus Week Ahead, Week 15. Last week wasn't just another round of headlines, it was a gut punch. You could feel it, like the air changed overnight. Maybe you were deep in the grind, chasing down rent checks, dealing with vendor delays, and fighting off that uneasy feeling that something big was shifting, and it was out of your hands. Maybe you glanced at your savings, your invoices, your team roster, and thought, what's coming next? We get it. We're not Wall Street, we're not a hedge fund, and we're not your financial advisor. We're Bauhaus Group, a team of real people who build, manage, and invest in businesses and property right here in LA. We handle payroll, we show up to inspections, we build housing, we clean units, we talk with tenants. And just like you, we're trying to make sense of this moment. This isn't about panic, it's about perspective. Let's break down what happened and what we see coming. $10 trillion in market value disappeared, gone. Apple alone dropped nearly $200 billion. That's not just noise, that's a signal. From tech to real estate to consumer goods, everyone's pulling back. Risk-off mode is here. For Los Angeles businesses, this means lenders, investors, and buyers are becoming more selective, and quickly. Across industries, CEOs are starting to speak more openly about layoffs and restructuring. The Federal Reserve isn't easing up. Interest rates remain high, and inflation is proving sticky. Businesses are moving away from growth strategies and focusing instead on efficiency. You can expect slower approval processes, fewer job bids, tougher negotiations with tenants and vendors, and a rush to cut costs before the end of Q2. Global shipping routes are under pressure once again, and delays in parts, materials, and tech are expected. On top of that, new tariffs on imported goods, particularly construction components, are starting to bite. Now's the time to be proactive. Reconfirm your vendor timelines and lock in material pricing wherever possible. When large players pull back, room opens up for others to step forward. Local service providers may find more work. Property owners with strong cash reserves could secure better deals and labor. And in uncertain times, tenants and clients will place a premium on clear, honest communication. This is a moment to prioritize retention over replacement, to offer essential and affordable services, and to clearly communicate what's changing and why. All eyes are on the CPI report dropping Wednesday. It's expected to move markets. Federal Reserve officials will be speaking throughout the week, and their tone will shape interest rate expectations. Meanwhile, earnings from Delta, JP Morgan, and Wells Fargo will offer insight into consumer confidence and spending. If you're feeling the pressure, you're not alone. This week is about staying lean, observant, and responsive. Don't freeze, refocus. Rethink how you communicate, how you deliver, and how you protect your margins. Stay sharp, stay curious, and above all, stay Bauhaus. Like, follow, and subscribe to our social media channels for more market updates and insights.